Think your chats are private? Think again. Did you know over 70% of messaging apps share some of your data according to their privacy policies? Just locking your phone isn't enough. The apps you use every day may collect information about you. Stick around, you'll be surprised by the number 1 safest app. Here's the shocking truth. Number 10, Telegram. You might think it's fully private, but by default, your chats aren't end-to-end encrypted. You have to start a secret chat manually for full encryption. Telegram also collects some metadata like IP address and contact list, which is explained in their privacy policy. Fun for casual chats, yes. Safe for highly sensitive information? Not fully. Next, Facebook Messenger. Messenger does not use end-to-end encryption by default, so messages are not fully private according to their privacy policy. The app collects information such as your contacts, location, and device details. It is connected to your Facebook account, and data sharing with other Facebook services is described in their policy. Next, Skype. According to Microsoft's privacy policy, Skype messages are encrypted in transit, but metadata and some user information may be collected. Certain account and usage details may be stored for service functionality. WhatsApp is next. WhatsApp messages are end-to-end encrypted, meaning only the sender and recipient can read the content. However, WhatsApp collects metadata such as who you contact, when, what device you use, and your location. Their privacy policy also notes that information may be shared with parent company Meta. Even WhatsApp Web requires security settings to maintain privacy. Viber encrypts messages end-to-end, but their privacy policy notes that they collect device and usage information to provide and improve services. Now let's move to apps that emphasize privacy. Wire is open source, meaning anyone can review the code. After moving operations to the US, it is subject to local laws. Wire also requests an email for account setup. Session does not require a phone number or email. Everything is automatically end-to-end encrypted, and no usage data is stored according to their privacy policy. Threema is based in Switzerland, a country with strong privacy laws. No phone number or email is required. All messages are end-to-end encrypted, and only minimal data is collected, which is explained in their privacy policy. Simplex does not require an account, phone number, or email. Messages use temporary encrypted links. No central server stores data, and no metadata is collected. The app is fully open source. Finally, the number 1 safest app according to privacy experts and official policies, Signal. Signal is open source, uses strong end-to-end encryption, and collects almost no user data. Only the people in the chat can access the messages, and their privacy policy confirms minimal data collection. So, which app do you think is best for keeping your chats private? Decide before your next message. You can choose an app that respects your privacy according to official policies.